Hello, my friends. I am so happy that you chose to get my freebie AI resume boosting guide. This guide is going to give you the best prompts that you can use with your favorite AI tool. I personally like to use ChatGPT, but you can use any one that you are using already, and it can help you get very clear about what kind of output you want from the system. Now, AI is incredible, but it's not perfect. So you need to be very specific about what kind of information you want it to give you. That's why I created the guide. Most people are not understanding how to utilize AI properly so that they get an amazing output and resume, because really that's what we're talking about. Now, I'm sorry that you are here if you recently got laid off or had a change in life. And trust me, I know what that feels like. As you can see here in the background, I'm married to my husband, who was in the military for 21 years, U.S. Marine Corps, and he proudly served. And the last 7, 8 years of his time, I was married to him, engaged, and had a family, and I was moving around the country. And what that meant was that every year and a half, I had to move locations, quit my job, and start a new one. So I learned a whole lot about what it's like to have a sudden notice and change in life with your job and career. And you feel like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do now? Where am I going to find a job? Am I going to find a job that is going to pay well? Am I going to find a job that is in my field? Am I going to have to change jobs? Trust me, I know what all that gibberish that goes on in your head is like. So I just want to acknowledge that. I get it. It's a bit of a shocker when you first get a notice that you're no longer working at your location. And the next thing you start to think about is your finances, of course. So I am here to help you get through all those different phases and all those questions that you might have, where you can say, hey, I understand what I need to do, and I understand what kind of prompting I need to use for my AI, and I understand the type of template that's going to be the best template for me. So with the guide, you're going to get the prompts, and that's going to be amazing for you. But the next thing I really want you to think about is taking a course that we're going to be launching, because I see so many people getting laid off right now. I want to help in the masses. And this was really the only way that I could do that. So the course that I'm launching very soon, in a few weeks, and there's limited spots. So please click the link and join us for this really minimal investment, is the job winning AI resume course. Get noticed, get hired. And I say get noticed because if you don't have the appropriate keywording to showcase what you've done the last few years, that applicant tracking system, which is a system that now many companies use, is going to boot your resume out, even if you're the most qualified. So we don't want that to happen. I'm going to show you what recruiters look for. I've spent over 20 years helping people land their dream jobs, dream careers across the nation, again, because I was moving around a lot. And I know what it takes to get noticed. So join me. I can't wait to help you land that dream job for the dream pay in your ideal situation. A lot of people want virtual or hybrid positions, and all you have to do is commit. Commit to making a change fast and faster, okay? So that you can land your dream job. Click the button, join us. It's going to be amazing.